Welcome to our channel where we explore the latest advancements in the automotive industry. In today's video, we will be discussing the future of robots in automotive maintenance and repair. Robots have already revolutionized the automotive manufacturing industry, and they are now poised to make a significant impact on automotive maintenance and repair. The use of robots in these areas can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase safety. One of the primary areas where robots are already being used in automotive maintenance is in the inspection of vehicles. Robots equipped with advanced sensors and cameras can perform detailed inspections of vehicles, identifying any potential issues before they become major problems. This can help to reduce maintenance costs and improve the overall reliability of vehicles. Robots are also being used in automotive repair. For example, robots can be used to perform routine maintenance tasks such as oil changes and tire rotations. By automating these tasks, mechanics can focus on more complex repairs and diagnostics, ultimately reducing repair times and costs. Another area where robots are expected to make a significant impact is in the field of predictive maintenance. By analyzing data from sensors and other sources, robots can predict when a vehicle is likely to experience a breakdown or other issue. This information can be used to proactively schedule maintenance and repairs, reducing downtime and improving vehicle reliability. Robots are also being used in automotive collision repair. Robots can perform tasks such as sanding and painting, improving the efficiency and quality of repairs. Additionally, robots can help to improve safety by performing tasks that may be hazardous to human workers, such as welding. In the future, robots are expected to become even more prevalent in automotive maintenance and repair. With advancements in machine learning and artificial intelligence, robots will be able to perform increasingly complex tasks, such as diagnosing and repairing complex electrical systems. Moreover, with the development of autonomous vehicles, robots will play a critical role in the maintenance and repair of these vehicles. As autonomous vehicles become more prevalent, the demand for maintenance and repair services is likely to increase, and robots will be essential in meeting this demand. In conclusion, the use of robots in automotive maintenance and repair is rapidly evolving, and their benefits are becoming increasingly apparent. By automating routine maintenance tasks, predicting and preventing breakdowns, and improving the efficiency and quality of repairs, robots can improve the reliability of vehicles, reduce maintenance costs, and increase safety. With the advancements in machine learning and AI, robots will continue to play a critical role in the future of automotive maintenance and repair. Thank you for watching our video on the future of robots in automotive maintenance and repair. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest advancements in the automotive industry.